Now we see the remaining examples of the exercise 6.2. Here it is the seventh example. By computing the shortest distance determine the following lines intersect each other. Or not. Here r bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus lambda into 2I cap plus k cap, and second line is r bar is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus mu into I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Okay. Here, by computing shortest distance, we can determine these two lines are intersect or not. We know that if the shortest distance between line is 0, then the lines are intersect, and if the shortest distance between lines is not equal to 0, then lines are not intersect each other. Okay. Here, first we find the shortest distance between them. That means examples are the same in the last lecture. Okay, in the last lecture we find the shortest distance between line. In this lecture we compute the line by using the shortest distance, lines are intersect or not. Okay, if the shortest distance is 0, then lines are intersect, and if the shortest distance is not equal to 0, then lines are not intersect. That means question is same, only last answer. Okay, extra we can write intersect or not. Okay, we can find first shortest distance. Okay, and then write the answer. If shortest distance is 0, then lines are intersect, and if shortest distance is not equal to 0, then lines are not intersect. Okay, that means we find the shortest distance. Okay, now see carefully. Given lines, it is r bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus lambda into 2I cap plus k cap. Okay, it is equation number 1. Now it is A1 bar, line passing through point I cap minus j cap, and line parallel to the vector, it is a B1 2I cap plus k cap. Second line, r bar is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus mu into I cap plus j cap minus k cap. It is a second line. Okay, therefore you can write this line passing through point 2I cap minus j cap and parallel to the vector I cap plus j cap minus k cap. That means line passing through point and it is a parallel to the vector. Okay, see carefully. Now shortest distance between them. Okay, therefore shortest distance between line 1 and 2 is, okay, here we can write distance. It is the shortest distance. A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar upon magnitude of here. It is a shortest distance formula. Okay, first we find A2 minus A1, then find the cross product. Therefore a2 bar minus a1 bar is equal to a2 minus a1, 2i minus I, it is I cap. J and minus j cancel and k not. Now it is a2 minus a1. Now b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to, we can write I cap, j cap, and it is k cap. b1 201, 201, it is 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 and minus 1. Okay, so we can take the cross product here. b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to I cap into 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus j cap into minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 and plus k cap into 2 minus 0. Okay. And therefore it is minus I cap plus 3j cap and plus 2k cap. It is b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now we can find a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to I cap, it is a a2 bar minus a1 bar dot minus I cap plus 3j cap and plus 2k cap, and dot product becomes minus 1 only. I cap, it is coefficient, j and k are absent in the a2 minus a1, it is minus 1, and magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to under root of minus 1 square plus 3 square and plus 2 square. Okay, and then it is under root of 1 plus 9 plus 4, see carefully, and it is under root of 14, and therefore distance, it is the shortest distance, is equal to minus 1 upon under root 14, that is 1 upon under root 14, and which is not equal to 0. Okay, 1 upon under root 14, and therefore lines are not intersect. Okay, lines are not intersect. In the last example, in the last lecture, we have find only the shortest distance. Okay, example will be end here, it is a shortest distance, but here only one step is extra. Distance is not equal to 0, then lines are not intersect, and if distance is 0, then lines are the intersect. Now we see the next example. Second example you need. By computing shortest distance, determine the following lines intersect each other or not. The lines are x minus 5 upon 4, y minus 7 upon minus 5, z plus 3 upon minus 5, and x minus 8 upon 7 is equal to y minus 7 upon 1 is equal to z minus 5 upon 3. Okay, here these lines are in the vector form, sorry, it is a Cartesian form. Okay, we can use for the shortest distance Cartesian formula, or reduce these lines in a vector form and then by using the vector method. Okay, here we reduce these lines in the vector equation, it is a Cartesian equation of line. We reduce this equation in a vector form and then find the shortest distance by using the vector formula. Okay, here given lines given lines are, here first line x minus 5 upon 4, y minus 7 upon minus 5, and z plus 3 upon minus 5. Okay, it is equation number 1. Therefore, line passing through, line 1 passing through (5, 7 and minus 3). Here 5, 7 and it is minus 3, and having direction ratios 4, minus 5, minus 5. Therefore, its vector equation r bar is equal to 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap plus lambda into 4i cap minus 5j cap minus 5k cap. That is a1 bar is equal to 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap, and b1 is equal to 4i cap minus 5j cap minus 5k cap. Okay, it is a1 and b1. Okay, by vector method we reduce this equation in vector form. Okay, we can directly write the vector equation and a1 b1. Okay, these two lines, okay, line passing through point and having direction ratios, directly can write the vector equation. Okay, and the second line x minus 8 upon 7, y minus 7 upon 1, and z minus 5 upon 3. It is equation number 2. Now here its vector equation directly can write. Its vector equation is, it is r bar is equal to 8i cap plus 7j cap and plus 5k cap. See carefully, plus mu into, it is 8, 7, 5, line passing through point x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. That is line passing through point x1, y1 and z1. So it is x minus x1, x1 it is 8, y1 7 and z1 it is 5. That is a bar, it is 8i cap plus 7j cap plus 5k cap. That is line passing through point 8i cap plus 7j cap plus 5k cap, and 7, 1, 3 are the direction ratios of line. That means the vector parallel to the line, it is 7i cap plus j cap and plus 3k cap. 7i cap plus j cap and plus 3k cap, and therefore you can write a2 8i cap plus 7j cap and plus 5k cap, and b2 bar is equal to 7i cap plus j cap and plus 3k cap. Now we know that the shortest distance formula. Now shortest distance, shortest distance between line 1 and 2. Here it is a distance a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar upon magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now we find a2 bar minus a1 bar, cross product of b1 and b2 and magnitude of b1 and b2, and put all values in this. If this calculation becomes 0, that is a distance, it is a 0, then lines are intersect, and if distance not equal to 0, then lines are not intersect. Now first find a2 bar minus a1 bar. a2 minus a1, here a2 a1, 8i minus 5i, 3i, 7j minus 7j, it is a 0, 5k minus 3k, it is a plus 8k. Okay, here 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 7, 0, and it is 5 minus 3, it is 8. b1 cross b2, it is I cap, j cap, and it is k cap. b1, 4 minus 5 minus 5, 4 minus 5 minus 5. b2, 7 1 3, 7 1 3. Okay, and therefore it is I cap into minus 15 plus 5 minus 15 plus 5 minus j cap into 12 plus 35. See carefully, 12 plus 35 and plus k cap into 4 plus 35. Okay, and then b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to, see carefully, it is minus 10 I cap minus it is 47 j cap and plus 39 k cap. Okay, see carefully. Now here take the dot product. Okay, therefore you can write a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar, okay, is equal to, it is 3 I cap plus 8 k cap is, sorry, dot minus 10 I cap minus 47 j cap and plus 39 k cap. Now we take a dot product. It is 3 into, it is minus 30, 3 into minus 10. Here j is absent, therefore 47 minus 47 into 0, 0. 8 we can write here 0 and plus 8 into 39. Here 8 nines are 72. Okay, carry 7. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 7, it is a 31. Okay, and then calculate it is subtraction. Okay, 312 minus 30, it is a 2, 8, 2. Okay, here it is a dot product. Now we find the magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to under root of, see carefully, it is under root of this vector. It is a minus 10 square plus minus 47 square and plus 39 square. Now we can find okay, here it is 100 plus, now a square of a 47. Okay, here we can find the square of 47. Here it is a 7 square, it is a 49, carry 4. Okay, 7 into 4, it is 28, 28 double 56, 56 plus 4, it is a 60, carry 6, and 4 square, it is 16, 16 plus 6, it is a 220. Okay, plus 39 square, it is 99, 81, carry 8. Okay, 3 into 9, it is 27, 27 is double, it is 54, and 54 and carry 8, 54 carry 8, it is a 62, carry 6, and 9, 3 square, it is a 9, 9 plus 6, it is a 15. Okay, and then it is only magnitude, we can take addition, it is a 0. Okay, then 0, 0 plus 0 and plus 2, it is a 3. Okay, here then 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3 and plus 5, it is 8 and it is 3. Okay, now it is a magnitude and therefore distance is equal to 282 upon under root of 3830, and which is not equal to 0, and therefore last answer it is, therefore lines are not intersect. Okay, lines are not intersect, it is a distance. Okay, see the calculation carefully. Okay, here for the square, who is the shortcut formula for the square? It is a square of a 7, it is 9. Okay, square of a 47. Okay, we can write here to find the square. Okay, we can okay, it is the answer of this. We can only tell the how to find the square of 2-digit number. Okay, it is a 47. Okay, here to find the square of 2-digit number, here first find the square of 7. 7, it is a square. Okay, first step. Okay, find the square of, it is a 7. Okay, unit place, it is a 49. Okay, so we can take here number, it is a 49, carry 4. Okay, see carefully. It is a carry 4. Then second step, it is a product of these two number and twice there. 4 into 7 and twice there. Okay, 4 into 7. It is 28 into 2. It is a 56. 56 and it is a carry 4. It is a 60. Now carry 6. Okay, and now 4 square. Third step, it is a 4 square. It is a 16 and 16 and carry 6. It is a 22. Okay, it is a square of, it is a 47. Okay, and observe it, it is a square of 39. It is. Okay, follow the 3 steps. First, square of a unit place, take 9 and carry 4. Then multiplication of 2 digit and twice there and add the carry. Okay, and then take a carry and square of a 10 place and add the carry. Okay, here. Now we see the last example of this exercise. Now, last example of this exercise. If lines x minus 1 upon 2, y plus 1 upon 3, it is a z minus 1 upon 4, and x minus 3 upon 1, y minus k upon 2, and z minus 1 z upon 1 intersect. Each other. Then find k. Okay, here. These two lines are the intersect each other. Here lines are in the Cartesian form, so you use Cartesian method or vector method. Here, if the lines are intersect, then the shortest distance between them is 0. Now, there are the two conditions, by Cartesian method or by vector method. Here, determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 is equal to 0. It is a vector form if the lines are, Cartesian form if the lines are intersect each other. And the vector form is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0. Then the two lines are the intersect. Okay, you can use any one method. Here given lines, x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y plus 1 upon 3 is equal to z minus 1 upon 4. It is equation number 1. Okay, therefore you can write x1, y1 and z1 are 1, minus 1 and 1, and a1, b1 and c1 are 2, 3 and 4. See carefully. 2, 3, 4. 1, minus 1, 1. second line, x minus 3 upon 1, okay. Here second line is x minus 3 upon 1, y minus k upon 2, and z upon 1. It is a line number 2. Therefore we can write x2, y2 and z2. It is 3k and 0, 3k and it is 0, and a2, b2 and c2. It is 1, 2, 1. Okay. Here line 1 and 2 are intersect. Therefore determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 is equal to 0. Now put the all values, solve the determinant. Therefore x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, k minus minus 1, that is k plus 1, and here it is a 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, a1, b1, c1, 2, 3 and it is 4, a2, b2, c2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1 and it is 0. Okay. Therefore it is 3 minus 1, it is a 2 into 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8, we find the determinant, minus k plus 1 into 2 minus 4, see carefully, it is a 2 and minus 4, and minus 1 into, it is minus 1 into 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, see carefully the calculation. 3 minus 8, it is a minus 5, that means it is minus 10. Now here 2 minus 4, it is a minus 2, minus 2 and this minus, it is a plus 2, and therefore you can write 2k plus 2, minus 2 and it is minus, it is a plus 2, 2 into k plus 1, it is 2k plus 2, and here it is 1, it is a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a 2k minus 10 minus 1 minus 11, minus 11 plus 9, so it is plus 2, it is a minus 9 is equal to 0, and therefore k is equal to 9 by 2. See carefully. Okay, k is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, this is a Cartesian form. Okay. You can also solve by using the vector method. Okay, when it is a Cartesian equation, it is a line passing through point, therefore we can write a1 bar, it is I cap minus j cap and plus k cap, and it is a b1, it is 2i cap plus 3j cap and plus 4k cap, a1 and b1, and here it is a2, 3i cap. It is a Cartesian form. It is a2, 3i cap plus k j cap, and b2 bar, I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, a1, b1, a2, b2, and if lines are intersect, then a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0. That means dot product of these two vectors is 0. And here also it is a vector form. See carefully, it is a vector form, therefore it is first vector, second vector and third vector. It is a scalar triple product, and scalar triple product means it is a first vector, it is a component. Scalar triple product we can find by using determinant. Here it is a component of first vector, a2 bar minus a1 bar, then b1 component of b1, and is b2, it is a component of b2, and it is a calculation. Okay, we can use any one method, okay, to solve this problem.